Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the invite link for a Partiful event. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and share a Partiful link with someone else. How do you actually go ahead and get that invite link? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to click on invite, and then next you're going to click on copy link, which is this button right over here. Now once you've done so, you'll see that this right here is able to actually go ahead and link to your event so that people can either accept it or deny it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get the Partiful invite link. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Oh, and by the way, also, you could actually go ahead and copy this URL right over here and send them this link as well if they're not able to edit it, so that they can actually go ahead and accept the invite and label it themselves as either going, maybe, or not going. But let me know if you guys have any questions at all.